Exhaust air heat pumps can now receive the heat pump grant if they meet the full space and hot water demand. Martin, what is an exhaust air heat pump and when do you find yourself recommending them?
An exhaust air heat pump fundamentally uses heat energy from the dwelling mixed with a bit of fresh air coming in. They're brilliant bits of kit, but like everything, specific use only. We tend to use them in flats primarily, where you couldn't get gas into the property and clients didn't want the running costs of electric heaters. So you'd use an exhaust air heat pump or a dwelling that was extremely energy efficient. So the older models tended to be quite low powered. The latest generation that's come out, we've got 4 kilowatt and a 7 kilowatt. So the horizons are broadened, but the advantage is you don't have anything outside. You just literally would have 2 grills in the outside of your house, one air in, one air out, and the unit just sits there and they're very compact and provides everything you need for heating hot water.
I mean, it sounds perfect. So what are the limitations?
Well, the limitations are size. I mean, until they brought out the latest generation with new technology and better gases, they were limited to about 2 kilowatt. So if you had, they used to say 75 square metre flat was the absolute maximum with no more than 2 bedrooms. So it was quite a specific use unless you were talking to a passive house where you've got really low energy demands, because you've got to get all the air down a pipe, no more than sort of 200 million diameter, whereas a heat pump would sit outside and be shifting 15 cubic meters a second. There's a limit as to how much air you can get down a pipe, and that's the one thing that restricts or limits its options.